Very warm and humid morning else, isn't it? I've poured water over her head, I've brought plenty of water, I've refilled her at top. She hates the warm weather. Look at these cows on the island. That's cool, that. Would have loved to have seen them going across. We've come back here because there was something I didn't film last time, and I particularly want to show Robbie. Alright Bob, we'll get to where we're going to go and we'll have a little rest and then head back to the car. Okay Bubsy? I know you're warm.